welcome back to my channel. This is Marc. So in today's video, we'll not be talking about hair. However, we'll be talking about YouTube and how you can start your own channel here in YouTube. Alam ko nakatuto kayo dito sa channel ko because I'm usually sharing my tips, okay, mga recommendations ko para sa buhok ninyo. However, naisip ko rin na i-share ko rin to sa inyo para just in case that you're thinking of starting your own YouTube channel, ano ba yung mga dapat yung gawin, ano yung mga dapat yung i-consider, paano yung mga process. And for those of you who doesn't know, you can actually earn out of YouTube. So, madaming mga YouTuber ngayon na full-time YouTuber sila. All they doing here in YouTube is to film whatever they're doing sa everyday life nila. Okay? And they're earning money out of it. Bibigyan ko kayo ng mga simple setup na kailangan yung i-consider kung gusto nyong mag-film ng video. Number one would be topic. Ano ba yung mga gusto nyong gawin sa YouTube channel ninyo? What are you passionate about? If you're more mga tips, tricks, para mga talk show, something, you can actually do that in the premise of your home. Katulad ng ginagawa ko, nakaupo lang ako dito and I'm talking to you sa end ninyo, okay? So, pwede nyong gawin to. Talk one-on-one lang tayo and then nakikinig lang kayo, sharing with you whatever knowledge that I know that you can benefit from. Other topic naman would be a travel vlog. Actually, any kind of topic that you can think of, technology, computer, cars, okay, hobbies, okay, sounds, music, you can actually make a video out of it. And at the same time, pag na-monetize na kayo, you can actually earn money from YouTube. And YouTube will be paying you by simply putting ads on your videos, just like this one. Kung first time yung YouTuber, I would suggest that you start filming using your phone. Kasi mahirap siya at first. Mahirap din kasi kung mag-i-invest kayo ng money, like bibili kayo ng madaming setup, yung mga mahal na setup, and then hindi naman pala kayo mag-video. So, parang nonsense din na bumili ka ng setup na napakamahal, complete setup ka nga, pero wala ka namang initiative to film yourself. So, parang lugi ka din. And then, yung mga simple setup would be tripod. You can get a tripod, okay? Yung mga maliliit. When I started, guys, may maliit kaming cabinet. Wala akong tripod. I only have my cell phone, iPhone back then. So, ang ginagawa ko lang noon is pinapatong ko lang dun sa ibabaw nung cabinet yung cellphone ko. And then, pinifilm ko rin yung sarili ko. Sa harapan lang ako. So, ganun yung una kong setup. Ayun yung nakita nyo dun sa video ko, yung sa biotin. Okay, yung first biotin review ko ng Puritan's Pride. Ganun lang yung setup ko. And then, ang pangit pa. Thinking about it, ang pangit ko. Love yourself, guys. Pero ayun, you can actually start by simply filming yourself using your cell phone. Okay, kung maganda na yung camera ng front-facing camera ninyo, mas maganda. Kung hindi naman, you can use the rear camera or yung sa likod ng camera nyo para mas maganda yung resolution niya. Kung may budget naman kayo, pwede kayong bumili ng mga maliliit na tripods lang. Patong nyo lang sa isang table. And then, make sure nyo lang na maganda yung framing ninyo. Okay? Para makapag-start kayo ng film. And then, make sure guys, kung mag-record kayo ng video using your cell phone, dapat lagi naka-landscape na ganito. Yan. Laging ganito guys ha. Para pag view siya sa YouTube, maganda siyang tignan. Para pag tinood ni viewer yung video nyo, naka full screen siya na landscape. Kasi sa portrait, na pag ni-landscape nyo, liliit lang yung video nyo, mga ganyan lang. Second would be, I would suggest na kailangan nyo rin mag-invest sa magandang lighting, sa magandang ilaw. Okay, mag-invest kayo sa magandang ilaw. Bakit magandang ilaw? Kasi hindi ganong ma-appreciate nang nanonood yung video niyo kung hindi kayo gaano makita. Sa atin dito, maaraw naman. So, pwede kayong tumapat sa window ninyo. Kung wala pa kayong budget, pwede rin kayong mag-invest ng mga lamp. Tignan nyo guys yung nasa gilid ko. Medyo may ilaw siya, di ba? Kasi may ilaw ako dito. Mayroon akong lamp. Okay, para magkaroon ng dimension. Okay, na parang effect, whatever, kung ano. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-master eh. Pero, one thing that you have to consider is a good lighting. Para just in case na hindi kayo makapag-film sa umaga, sa gabi, pwede kayo makapag-film. Tapos kung may mga budget na kayo, pwede kayong bumili ng mga ring light na malalaki. So you can get it at Lazada or Shopee. Size, okay, ng ilaw for ring light would be 20 centimeters. So malaki na siya, guys. parang kasing laki ng mukha ko. So, ganun, ha? Malaki, as in, kasing laki ng mukha. Dapat ganun yung binibili yung ring light. Para pag mailaw talaga siya. At saka guys, kung meron kayong mga beauty tips or makeup review yung gusto nyo gawin, magkakaroon siya ng effect na parang may, tawag dito, may ilaw or may ring, okay? Doon sa mga mata nyo. The third would be, good audio guys is actually great. Let's say for example, maganda yung quality ng camera ninyo. Okay, nakikita lahat, pati yung pores ninyo, pero yung mic or yung audio, yung sound is hindi ganong marinig. Para nawawala yung purpose ng video. If you're using your cell phone, just like what I'm doing right now, okay, medyo ilapit nyo ng konti yung camera ninyo sa inyo, okay, and then medyo lakasan ninyo yung boses ninyo. Kung medyo mahina talaga, okay, you can actually use like a shotgun microphone. You can get something like this, okay. So, ito siya. So, ito guys, ginagamit ko lang to pag medyo sobrang ingay talaga, tapos hindi ako makapagsalita ng malakas. Most of us are working at home. Hinihinaan ko yung boses ko and then I use this. Ang tawag dito ay Boya. Plug and play lang to. Hindi na to kailangan ng power. Nag-video kayo ng mga moving objects, okay, moving people. You may want to consider getting a gimbal. Ito guys, so yung gimbal na sinasabi ko. So this one is actually a Prestigio. One of the cheapest, okay, that you can get out there. And eto guys, binili ko to second hand last month lang. Ang madalas ko kasing gawin dito sa channel ko is of course discussion lang, product review. So I normally do the product reviews dito sa kwarto ko o kaya somewhere else. Mahilig din kasi akong lumabas, mahilig akong mag-travel, mahilig kaming gumala, mag-drive. So I decided to get a gimbal. Okay. Ito na, nakuha ko lang to for 1,800 pesos, second hand. Nagawa naman niya yung mga dapat niyang gawin. If nakita niyo yung video last time, prior to this one, ililink ko sa description box and also dito sa taas, okay? Kung gusto niyo makita yung video, okay? Nandun ako sa sasakyan at nakita niyo naman guys na medyo gumagalaw-galaw ako pero okay siya, hindi siya shaky, hindi masakit sa mata. And also guys, yung pinifilm ko yung aso namin, yung tuta namin, pop ko lang yung video. Okay? As you can see guys, kahit nag-move ako, moving object talaga siya guys ha. Moving animal. Pero nakita niyo naman guys, yung stabilization, maganda siya. So, kung yung topic nyo has something to do with moving objects, outdoor, travel, okay, you may want to consider getting a gimbal. Okay? Pero guys, meron naman, may mga cameras naman, if meron talaga kayong budget for a camera, let's say, mga Nikon, ganyan. May mga stabilization na sila included doon. So, kahit hindi na kayo gumamit ng gimbal, okay naman na. So, there you have it, guys. So, those are my tips if ever that you'd like to consider start your own YouTube channel. Don't forget, guys, to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, follow me on my social media account, Facebook, Twitter, and also Instagram. Para naman, nalalaman nyo yung buhay-buhay ko. If you have some questions about me, okay, you can actually PM me or private message me on Facebook and on Instagram. Every Thursday or Friday, I'll be uploading videos about hair. Watch out for that. I'll be doing a series about this YouTube thing. Okay, so kung gusto mong malaman yung mga tips and tricks, okay, to grow your YouTube channel, consider subscribing as well. Much guys for watching and have a great day. Bye!